Today we're gonna make something like this in Apple Motion. Let's create a new project. My project settings. Let's add our text. Let's rename our text as source. Clone our source. Turn off our source text. Then let's go back to our clone layer. Here on our clone layer, let's add some mask. Option R. Then select our top area. We have this. Center the mask. And let's adjust the width. After that, our clone layer, let's replicate it. Press L on your keyboard. Change the shape from rectangle to line. Change the start point and end point to 0 for the X, and then adjust the start point Y. Let's increase something like this. Then let's change the points to 25. Then let's add a mask on our replicator. Option R. Then mask it out. Then here on the replicator, let's add a ramp behavior on the offset. Right click, add parameter behavior, ramp. Then go to the end of your timeline. Change the end value to however you like. Then let's go back to our first frame. My source text, I will clone that. Then drag this clone up to the topmost layer. So we have something like this. Then here on our clone layer, the first one and the replicator, let's group them. Command Shift G. Then this group, let's duplicate this. This new duplicate group will be our bottom part. Let's turn on the clone for that group. Then adjust the rectangle mask. Let's now select the bottom part. Let's go to our replicator. Then change this rectangle mask to the bottom part. And then our replicator, change the endpoint, of course, to something like this. Go to our behaviors, change this 54 to negative 54. This upper or topmost group, let's add some rectangle here. Now let's go to our source text. Let's turn that on. Go to the tracking, add some keyframes. Then one more thing, you notice that in here, our text is cut off. So the only thing you need to do is just adjust the rectangle mask. Let's go to our first frame. Then hit spacebar to see the preview. That's how to create a fast and easy kinetic text in Apple Motion. See you again next time.